Children, today's topic is Asia, location and physical features. This is the sixth lesson in Around the World. After this lesson, you just read the after this video, you just read the lesson to get more knowledge. Dear children, our world is divided into 7 continents. Already we know that 70% of water, 30% of land. This land is divided into 7 parts in it. The first we can see the Asian continent. We are the people of India. We are living in the Asian continent. Asia is our continent. Then this Asian continent extends between 10 degree south latitude in the south and 80 degree north latitude in the north, and that is in between 25 degree east longitude in the west and 170 degree west longitude in the east. Here we can see the combined land mass of Asia and Europe is called Eurasia. Now that Eurasia, that is called as Russia, because that is in the midst of Asia and European continent. Now we can see the extremes of the Asian continent. Here the Mount Everest, Dead Sea, Orkhonok, Jacobabad, Caspian Sea, Lake Baikal, Masinram, and the Brahmaputra Delta plateau of Tibet. These are the highest and the largest plateau. The plateau of Tibet is the highest and largest plateau in the world, and it is also called as the roof of the world. This is now we can see the political divisions of Asian continent. The Asian continent, there are 50 independent countries are there in Asian continent. Southeast Asia, South Asia, East Asia, West Asia, and Central Asia. That is the division of the Asian continent. The countries are divided by under this phenomena. Now we can see the physical features of the Asian continent. The physical feature of Asia, that is divided into 5 major divisions. First one is the northern lowlands, the central highlands, the southern plateau, the great river basins, the island group, These are the physical features of this Asian continent. Here you see where one important desert is also there. The Gobi is a cold desert which spreads across southern Mongolia and northern China. Near the northern side of China, they are one of the cold desert. If we are going to see about a desert, means we will get the information about this desert places are only the hot areas, but this Gobi desert in Asia is a cold desert. Then there are so many island groups. For example, there are so many island groups. These island groups are Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, Malay archipelago. These places are in this map. You can see these places. Here you can see that places, no, that Indonesia. Here you see Indonesia. And the Malay is very near to this here, Malaysia. Then Japan. These are the 3 major islands, and you see Malay archipelago is the largest island group in the world. Okay, dear children, Asia, and this Asia is divided into Asia is the is the biggest continent, and this Asia have more fertile lands. In Asia more fertile lands are there, and thus Asia is under 5 political divisions, and the physical feature is divided into 5. The political divisions: Southeast Asia. Under Southeast Asia, Myanmar, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, Indonesia, Brunei, East Timor, and the Philippines are under the Southeast Asia. Then South Asia: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and Maldives. Then East Asia: Japan, North Korea, South Korea, Taiwan, China, and Mongolia. The West Asia is Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Jordan, Lebanon, Yemen, Israel, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Oman, Cyprus, Bahrain, and Turkey. The Central Asia is Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. Then you see Russia, China, and India are very large countries. Russia and Turkey lie both in Asia and Europe. Already we have seen that Eurasia, Russia is first the Russia is called as Eurasia. Now only that is called as Russia. And this Russia is in between Europe and Russia. That is not only in Asia, that is in Europe. Some places are there in Europe, and Turkey also the same.